we got this compact stove. I heard about this stove at the Pharroah YouTube channel. Thank you, Alan. And went to eBay, found this thing. It was $7, free shipping. Pretty cool little stove. I've got a pot with 20 ounces of water, and we're going to fire it up and see how long it takes to boil 20 ounces of water. Now this video was already at 1 minute and 8 seconds when I got back behind the camera. So when I see that water boil, I'll call out the time, and that will be a demo. This thing is pretty cool. It